Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're in St. Dorothy and we're gonna try to find some spots for magnet fishing. I found some little hidden, like, special places that we can go I didn't even know about, and they're beautiful. So we're gonna try to see if we can go magnet fishing around here. Well, found a big piece of metal. A nail. Oh, what the? Look at that. Oh. They're new. They're brand new. I think that it's the coolest thing I've found so far. That's a huge piece of metal. Holy crap. That's one big magnetized rock. Bunch of nails. Oh, we have a bottle cap. Oh God, I just caught the coronavirus. First zone was great. The second zone near the TP, not at all. Couldn't find anything. But still, it's a nice place. Not far. A lot of people coming fishing and obviously squatting because somebody's been living here for sure. But it's a nice place. Kayak and geese and baby geese and lots of fishing, and what I've seen, there's a lot of fish. So I found more than I did so far, and I found stuff that I could use, like wrenches and stuff. So that's pretty cool. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.